Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for November 23rd, 2016. For your Wednesday, we're going to have high pressure right over top of the area. It's going to give us a mostly sunny start. Finally, those winds are going to be dying down. The winds have really been plaguing us the last couple days. We started to see a decrease in that yesterday, but today will be almost non-existent with very light northwest winds occurring today with high pressure in control. Very strong high pressure at that. This will be quickly moving out, though, and in its wake, it is a system moving in from the west. Now, this does not have a lot of precipitation with it, but it does have the ability to keep it cloudy with a few passing showers in the overnight hours and also into the day on Thursday. So we're going to move this a little bit ahead here, go into later in the day on Wednesday, and you can see we get to Wednesday evening and into the overnight hours. Now this is late evening. You can see the GFS is still showing as a warm front here in association with this very weak low area low pressure. Here's your warm front like this. So on the colder side of it, with you have a cold high sitting up here. So it's providing a little bit of cold air damming at the surface. And if you can get some precipitation in here, which is still kind of up in the air of how much what extent this precipitation comes in, you could have a mixture of rain with some sleet pellets, maybe even some freezing rain over very far northeast Pennsylvania, far northern portions of northeastern Pennsylvania and extreme northwestern New Jersey. But I don't think for our central areas that will be an issue. You might have a few sleet pellets mixing in at best. Further north here, you can get a little bit of spotty freezing rain and drizzle, some sleet pellets, maybe a few snowflakes mixed in at the onset. But I don't think this is a big deal. Actually, this is the most aggressive model with this precip showing this precipitation depiction here. So I want to everybody get excited here seeing this blue and this red here, because this is very, very light precip, and most models have backed off the extent of this precip as we head into Thursday morning. If there is precipitation around, you will have the opportunity to have a few frozen sleet pellets, maybe some freezing rain up in the far northeastern corner of Pennsylvania here. But I wouldn't get excited about this. Most models have trended away from appreciable precipitation. Most total precipitation through the end of the day Thursday, most precipitation estimates are under 1/10 of an inch as a grand total. So this is not a lot of precipitation. This is not a serious or dire situation. This is not a winter weather advisory situation. So I don't expect that up here across even those colder areas, because you just don't have enough precip really to work with. Move through the day on Thursday. We stay cloudy the entire day, just a threat of a passing shower. This is going to be like maybe one of those 20 to 30% chances of a shower. That's it. Not really a lot. But this will be a rain shower deal here on Thursday, we think. Going into Friday, we start off mostly cloudy, and then we have another little system that's going to bring some showers here. Again, not a lot of precipitation with this either. The highest amounts will be closer to the area low pressure up here, and then that'll be right along the Pennsylvania-New York border. Otherwise, we really don't have too much to work with here. And then that moves out in the overnight also. Saturday, we start off, we head to partly cloudy skies. Might have a few flurries up here in southern New York or so. But again, there's really not too much here to work with. And that moves out. Sunday returns to a mostly sunny day. And same thing here with Monday. We're going to be watching another system moving in from the west, though, during the day on Monday. So I think you get one more sunny day, and then we have another shot at rain. This one actually has a decent amount of rain with it, and a potential to have better, more appreciable rain other than this little spotty shower stuff that we're going to be dealing with Wednesday night and during the day on Thursday, and again Friday afternoon and evening when that second wave comes through. This has a little bit more to work with, so we have some opportunity for at least some much-needed rainfall. I know it's not snow for you snow lovers. You're wanting the snow yet. That will come, but this week, leading into the first week of December, looks pretty warm, so I don't expect any big systems for snow. Maybe you have to watch the interior as we get into the early first part of December, the first week of December, but right now everything up until that point looks primarily liquid. Again, we're going to be watching this system here coming in on Wednesday evening here. If there is precipitation, enough precipitation with this, which doesn't look likely at the moment, again, this is the most aggressive model I'm showing you right here. You could have some sleet pellets mixing in with some light rain showers, maybe some snow mixed in, not amounting to much of anything at all, though. Again, total precip, if you melted it all down, turn it into rain, and it was rain from start to finish from Wednesday evening through the end of the day on Thursday, you're still under 1/10 of an inch of total precip, so not a lot to work with. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 23rd, 2016. Have a great Wednesday.